at Just Roaming Design, we strive to engineer easy-to-use, innovative products allowing you to push the boundaries. Whether it be a DIY project or a large company, we believe that time is important. Our flooring solutions were engineered to make installation easy by eradicating several traditional processes such as sound deadening and insulating. The Columbia and Rainier flooring systems are made using a fiberglass-reinforced closed-cell foam that has several key benefits, including that it is lightweight, insulative, sound deadening, rot-proof, and strong enough to hold traditional fasteners. Today we will be showing you how to install the Columbia heated flooring system, which was engineered in collaboration with Rixon's, an industry leader in sales and support. Our floor boasts a finished height of 1 inch, half the height of competitors, as well as an easy, glue-in solution with no fasteners through the floor. Most importantly, through Rixon's we were able to offer an open source system with wiring, plumbing and installation diagrams available on their website. Installation generally takes an hour and a half total. 45 minutes to glue in the subfloor and then an additional 45 minutes to complete the heat transfer plates, pecs and overlay once the adhesive is cured overnight. Our floor is cut to precision using a CNC router ensuring tight tolerances and repeatable results. Using denatured alcohol, wipe down the floor to remove any debris, dust and grime. Before handling any foam board, make sure to put on gloves to avoid touching fiberglass. Measure each of the boards and mark this measurement on the floor of the van with a Sharpie. This will dictate your start-stop point for laying down your adhesive, allowing you to install one panel at a time. Apply adhesive to all high points of the floor up to each Sharpie mark. Lay down the subfloor one sheet at a time, repeating the previous steps until you have the van floor covered. It is important to add enough additional adhesive at the low points under the dovetail seams to match the high points. Once dry, the cured adhesive will form a structure to stop any movement beneath these seams. Once all sheets are installed, make sure that the threaded inserts align. You can gently make adjustments using an Allen key or rod while the glue is still wet. Install any factory bolts you have while the glue is drying to ensure they remain accessible. Apply pressure to the floor using heavy weights or clamps. For the easiest way to distribute pressure and isolate high points, we like using twisting drywall clamps. Once the adhesive has cured, remove the weights or clamps and bolts. Referencing the engravings on the floor, press in the heat transfer plates. Leaving 2 feet exposed at the end, start to press in the PEX tubing, being mindful not to create any kinks. This is much easier with a partner. We like to use a rubber mallet to push the PEX in, trimming any excess at the end to leave 2 feet exposed. Place the plywood overlay on top, matching it to its foam underlay. No gluing is necessary. Using the engravings as a reference and utilizing 3/4 inch crown staples, fasten the overlay to the underlay. The engravings are there to show you where the PEX and heat transfer plates are located to avoid puncture. Make sure not to create high points at the seams. We advise making any penetrations before covering it up with your finished flooring. This mapped overlay will help you avoid puncturing the PEX.